Hi everyone. I'm going to make a quick video to show you how to embed a document like your syllabus into your Blackboard shell. So I'm going to use my CNHP training course, that's my sandbox course, to build this particular piece of content. Okay, so I do a lot of stuff in here, so that's where I go to play. So you need to go first to get the document, right? So if you go to Microsoft Office Home, you want to go into your OneDrive where your documents are found. Get everything as a load. And then you see here is all my different folders. So I'm actually just going to scroll down to one of my courses because I'm going to pull over that syllabus template that I have saved there. And under this course, I just need to go to my templates file, and then I want to find the document that I want to use. So the document that I want to use is my accessible template, and again, this is just a template, and I'm going to go ahead and open that template. Okay. So give it a minute to open, and this is the document that I would want to embed into my course. So what you need to do that, to get that embed code, is go on File, and you should see something that says Share. And when you click on Share, you're going to get an option that you may have seen before if you shared a document with people, or your embed code. So that's the code we want. We want the embed code. So I'm going to click on the embed, and it will show you here is the document that you want to embed. And it will give you dimensions that it suggests. You can leave those for now, just until you figure out how that's going to look, right, in your particular shell. Right? And you want to copy this code, right? So I'm just going to hit Control and C to copy the code, and then I'm going to go into my course. Okay? So to embed that into my course, I'm going to go to Build Content and select an item. And then I'm going to name that item, so I'm going to name it syllabus. And then to get that embed code into this box here, this text box here, what you're going to need to look for is the tile that says HTML. Now, if your toolbar looks like this, it just means that it's collapsed. So to get to that HTML code, if you have collapsed toolbar, is to just click over here on the arrows, right? So go to the HTML tile, and then you're just going to paste, Control V, the HTML code for the document. Notice here that those numbers we saw on the other screen, the 476 and the 288, are right here in the HTML code. That's how you're going to be able to change the width and the height of your document if you don't like the way it looks when you copy it over. Okay, so just remember that, and we would just change the numbers, not anything else. Right? You have to be really careful about that. So you're going to click Update, and then you can see here, you see this yellow box with a red line around it. Okay, that's where your document's going to show up when you finally share it. So we're going to permit our users to see it, right? You can track the number of views if you want, but you just want to be able to see it at this point, and then click Submit. A minute. Okay, so I made that, and so just created. I'm going to go here, and I did that. I'm going to go here and pull out my syllabus to the top, just so it's easier to see it. Right? So I'm going to go here, and I'm going to navigate that document to the top, so we can take a look at what it looks like and click Submit. Because I'd want my syllabus up first, right? And saying yes, we ordered that. And here we go, and your syllabus is going to show up right here in our Blackboard shell. Okay? So you can see right now it shows up. Your students can scroll down, they can make it bigger, they can open it with this one here, and so it's right there. Now, what is the benefit of doing this other than not having to load it on your computer and save it and load up a Word document? Well, I'm going to show you that now. So remember, this is where it is in my course, right? I'm going to go back to that CNHP syllabus template, okay, and then get out of this embed code piece. See that? We're going to go back to that template. We're going to reopen the template. Okay, so now we have the Word document. It's back in my file, right, my OneDrive file. So I'm reading this, and I want to get rid of the word the, we'll say, in the syllabus. So I'm going to go down here, and I'm going to edit that. I'm just going to get rid of the. Okay? Decide that I don't want that, and if I look here, right, my Microsoft 365 Word has now saved the change to this document. Interesting. So now I'm going to go back into a course, because normally if we change the document, we'd have to save it, go back to the course, take the old one down, put the new one up. By embedding it, we don't have to do that. Now you'll see the Vel is still there. It's because I didn't refresh my course. So I'm going to go here, I'm going to click refresh. I'm going to go back and look at the syllabus. You see right here, the word is the is gone. So if you make any edits, right, to the syllabus that's in the file in OneDrive that has been attached to your course, it automatically carries over to your course, right? So any documents you have embedded, which I think is an amazing benefit of integrating your syllabus or any of your other documents into your courses through using OneDrive. Remember, all of our Drexel students have OneDrive, so the system will authenticate them, right, as being part of the Office 365 family we have here at Drexel. You just may want to give them a reminder that they need to be, like, have their Office 365 email open on another tab to be able to authenticate more quickly in the system. All right, so let's go back to the syllabus really quickly as template, because I want to show you something that you might not know that we have that actually is a really kind of cool feature now in 365 that we have, right? So we have our syllabus right here, our document here, right? And you know different ways how to share and file and things like that. But you can actually dictate in Office 365. There's also a ability to edit and things like that, which you already know. But you can actually, your students and you can actually have documents read to you through Office 365. So there's a reader feature in Office 365 that will allow the system to actually read the document to you, which I think is an amazing benefit of us now having 365. If you ever forget how to do anything in Edit, you can do the search here for Office 365 when you're in Word. There's a lot of different advantages to putting your documents into OneDrive and then sharing them out with your students. And understand your students can share documents from OneDrive as well, right? So they can directly attach papers or projects and things like that to send to you if they want like a quick overview before they submit them into the course. And they can do document editing and document sharing between each other in the Office 365 OneDrive system, so they can simultaneously edit, so doing a group project or things like that, just like we can. So you saw I changed the DAW. I'm just going to update that here to show you that it happens in a matter of like a minute, if even that long, when you go back in and change it. And so I want to make sure I did that, because I would probably forget later that I had edited that out. If you have any questions about anything that I've shown you on how to embed a document into your Blackboard shell from OneDrive, please feel free to email me. My email address is cck28@drexel.edu. It's great helping you, great talking to you, and I hope to hear from you all soon. Have a good day.